The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Union County in southwestern Kentucky, effective until 7:15 a.m. At 6:11 a.m., trained weather spotters reported a severe thunderstorm possibly producing a tornado 5 miles south of Uniontown, moving west at 40 miles an hour. Source: Trained weather spotters. Hazard: heavy rain and extreme winds with a chance of a tornado. Impact: in the event of a tornado, flying debris is dangerous to those caught without shelter. Should a tornado form, take necessary precautions. Get into an interior room on the lowest floor of your shelter, away from windows and doors. If you are driving, please note that visibility may be impacted. This warning replaces the severe thunderstorm watch that was previously in effect.